Okay, this is the lock that we modified for a practice lock. We're going to attempt to pick it on camera. We picked it 3 times off camera, broke 2 picks, ruined 3 picks, but I think we've got the sequence down pat. Going to use top of the keyway again. Okay, we got a false set. Get feedback. Okay. Okay, there we go. Got it. Here. Now we'll open it up. See if we can get everything in camera. Alright, let's go with pin number 1 first. Okay. Alright, there's a spool and a serrated pin. Okay, there's the bottom pin. Come out. Okay. If everybody can see this. Okay. Let's do number 2. Oops, wrong location. Let's move it over. Got a spool and serrated pin. Now, there's the bottom pin. Okay. Spool, serration, bottom pin. Let's go with the 4th pin now. Okay. There's one flipped over. Okay. Spool, serrated, bottom pin. Let's go with the last pin. Okay. Okay, there's the bottom pin. All the bottom pins are standard. See if we can get this up a little closer to the camera. See if everybody can see. Okay, we picked up practice lock on camera. had bottom spool, top serrated, or I mean the spool was on the bottom of the serrated pin, and all, you can see that everything is threaded internally. Okay, let's see if we can pull the core out now, or the plug. Come on, pin. Okay, there's that pin out. Now, let's lock this thing back up so we don't lose it. Okay, and then there's the plug. Thanks for watching. Don't do anything illegal, and we will see you later. Thank you.